Hey guys, what's good? I'm Praveen Nair and this is Maahek Nair from BodyProCoach. Today it's about education, it's about movement. So we're going to be showing you bentoverrow, one of the very effective exercise when it comes to training your back and getting the back in the shape. So let's go. Right, so this is Maahek. Maahek is going to be demonstrating the movement today. She's going to be showing us exactly how to create the movement. So you're going to have a feet underneath the hips directly. So you're going to maintain a hip distance on the feet, bend yourself down. So when you're going down, you want to make sure that your back is very flat. Lift it up. On the bar, we're going to maintain a thumb distance. There is a line on the bar always. That's a little wider than your shoulder width distance, okay? So now from here, we're going to lightly bend down on the knees. Bend the knees, stay here. We're going to maintain this flat back, all right? So that's called as a neutral back. And retract the scapula, that the spine stays very neutral. You drop down, start the movement. So this is the starting point where you have an elbow fully straight and the bar is almost below the knees. So the bend of the knee based on the hamstrings flexibility, all right? So now drive the bar towards the belly and down and up and down, good job. So at the top, she's going to retract the scapula completely. Elbows travels towards the rib cage or towards the back. So over here on an overhand grip, we're majorly working the upper back and at the same time the rear delts. But when the underhand grip comes into place, it's going to be more of course upper back. Your biceps, your secondary muscles and biceps comes in a lot into play. So let's go. Same distance on the hands. Shoulder distance on the hands and now stay down. Up, pull it up. This time when you're driving the bar up on the underhand grip, the bar will come towards the lower abdomen. Wherein, down, up, put it up, towards the abdomen, lower abdomen. And try to retract the scapula, nice and easy. Good job. Just keep moving. Okay, stop, change. Nice. We perform the same thing with the dumbbell right now. Let's go. Pick it up, the dumbbell. Stay down. So you can have a grip which is like this or like this, either of the ways. And just going to drive the dumbbell towards the abdomen. Down and up. Good job. Keep moving. Great job, Mac. Wonderful. A few most important things that you need to keep in mind is that, so when you're bending down here, you can hear knee flexion here, right? The knee bend that you have, that is based on the hamstrings flexibility. So if you're not hamstrings enough flexible, you may be standing up a little higher, this way. So right, so that's going to hit more of the upper trapezius. So you want to make sure these stay down and drive the bar towards, on an overhand grip, towards the rib cage, the top of the rib cage, and down. You want to avoid the elbow traveling too much outside and keep the elbows in to literally engage the upper back and the rear delts. Alright, so you want to make sure that this neutral spine of her stays always the neutral spine. You want to maintain the neutral spine throughout the entire set and while keeping it down and picking it up also. Stay down. On the underhand grip, everything stays the same thing. The angle of the knee, the hips, the neutral spine, everything stays the same thing. Only the bar this time travels towards the lower part of the abdomen. And you want to make sure that your neck is very neutral, look somewhere in the front. So you can see the complete spine is very neutral, okay? So now drive it up. So she's bending the elbow and engaging the biceps at the same time. Good enough, leave it. We can just show the dumbbell on the side, yeah? Great. The same thing on the dumbbell, it's the same muscle group that's working right now, stay down. Up, pull it up, and down. Good job. Lift it up and down, up and down. Stop. All right, so we saw the correct way of doing the bend over rows and the options of doing bend over rows with the barbell, with the different grips, and of course with the dumbbells as well. We're going to show you a few things that may go wrong while you're doing it. So you want to just show the dumbbell up and around the spine. So this is going to be the one thing that you may do always wrong. When you're picking up something, this rounded back has to be aware. You want to sit down a little bit and have a flat back, okay? When you're picking up, you want to make sure that the spine is very neutral. This is wrong. So this is, you can see that the spine, this goes away from each other. So this is a wrong bend over, all right? So you can see, can you make it correct now? So yeah, this is a correct bend over. So the moment you put the hips down, lift the shoulders up, that becomes correct, spine becomes correct. This is the most important thing of your set. All right guys, so thank you so much for tuning in and watching our videos. You want to make sure that you go through all the playlists we've got on the recipes, on the TTLG programs, Maahek's Core Pilates, a number of options to stay fit at the home itself, and that's all you need to be fit. So please do share the channel with your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and hit that bell icon. We've got about 7 times videos in a week. So, those bell icons will give you intimations on our new videos. Thank you so much. We're looking forward to see you in the next video. Cheers.
Thank you.